Good afternoon, my name is Matthew from Axel, and today I'm making a short video to show how to configure AXRM remote management software and Axel terminals to communicate over SSL. So for the sake of the demonstration, I'll be using a self-signed certificate, and to create that we issue the following command line, but you would change the DNS name to the host name of your AXRM server. Next is to run the MMC console and file, add, remove snap-ins, certificates. Okay, click on that. Personal, we see the w19.axel.net certificate which I created. That's my DNS name, and because it was created to expire in exactly 1 year from today. So this is a PFX certificate which contains both the public and private key. For the terminal we just require the public key, so from this we have to extract a .cer certificate. So right click, all tasks, export. So no, do not export the private key, we don't want that. We'll use the default here. We'll give it a name, Axel Cert. Next, finish, get popped up here. So now we have the .cer certificate here. So now we have to get the certificate physically into the terminal. Now there are two ways to do this. One is using the Axel remote management software, and one is using a memory stick, and I'll show both ways. So first of all, using the software. So by default, if we issue a command, let's just say get terminal configuration, run command, there's our config. We can see here we're using XML. So to load the certificate across, right click, local store, synchronize, SSL, CER certificate. Here's our certificate. The user friendly name was Axel-Cert. Adding object, takes a few seconds. Okay, that's done. If we now pan over to the terminal, if we enter setup, advanced, local store, we can see the CA certificate here. And if you go into remote administration, we can see XML administration activation is set to yes. So by default, the XML admin commands are enabled. What we need to do here is to force the terminal to only accept TLS only. And then underneath in TLS parameters, we can specify to check the server authenticity. We can also check the FQDN. So quit and save that. Go back to the Axel software. Now we haven't configured the software yet. So this will be the situation if someone just downloaded the software onto any PC and tried to access this terminal. Remote admin, get config, run command, and they're blocked because the terminal is specified to only use SSL, and we're not using SSL. SSL is grayed out. So we need to configure the software to use XSL. To do that we use tunings, admin, XML over SSL. Specify or select the certificate we just created. We can test it. Okay. Apply and exit. So if we now issue a command, remote admin get config, run command, there's our configuration, close, and we can now see we are running over SSL. I'll now quickly show how you can transfer the file across using a memory stick. So I have the file on the memory stick, attach it to terminal, and then from terminal setup, advanced, local store, we can see the certificate we previously loaded. So I'll remove that, clear all. So local store, it's now empty, add object, CER certificate, press F2 to scan the memory stick. There's our Axel-Cert. The friendly name was Axel-Cert. Transfer. command completed. So if we quit out of this, so if we go back to the Axel software and issue a command, remote admin get configuration run command as our config, and we can see we're now back to using the certificate. So I hope that was relevant and interesting, and if you have any questions then please contact your usual Axel support. Thank you very much and bye for now.